deeply, deeply, drawing the energy of the new moon. This is September new moon, 20 degrees, Virgo. And just drawing that energy into the body, down into the belly. So be very conscious of your belly right now. And drawing the breath in. Spend a few minutes just relaxing the body, preparing to receive energies and preparing your body to align with the energies that can most help heal you, help you focus on your intentions and create your intentions manifest in the world. So drawing the breath in deeply, deeply, just kind of loosely shake out the shoulders, the neck, loosely check your body. Just looking at the group body, so that's a combination of all of us together. The second chakra is out of alignment and a little bit of the throat mostly. So paying attention to your own chakras, straighten your spine, push your chest out, your heart chakra out in front of you, imagining just kind of pushing your chest out. And drawing those deep clearing breaths in through the nose, releasing through the mouth. Shake out the right hand and the left hand. And continue to draw them in gently as you do, imagining the crystalline structures, glass globes, jewels, flowers, whatever yours individually look like. The beautiful sparkling string of gems that is your aligned chakras. So just imagining those chakras from the root to the crown, from the red to the orange to the yellow, to the green, to the blue, to the indigo, to the violet, right up to the white light, and just drawing that breath in deeply, deeply, drawing it in. You can align your chakras and your vibration. You can bring it together with the higher vibration just by willing it, just by intending it. So a combination of your intention and your will. So as you're breathing, just kind of mentally repeat to yourself, my intention is to be whole and peaceful. My intention is to embrace my higher self and fully embody it. My intention is to be relaxed. Just very simple, basic intentions that we all share. We all have our individual intentions. Those will come later. At this time, just get your base. So drawing in, finding the base core intention of your soul. Your soul is here to express its light, and that is basically the intention that connects all of us together. So drawing your breath in deeply, deeply. My intention is to be expression of my light on the planet. Something of that sort. You can repeat your own, just bringing yourself to your soul's vibration and intention. Doing so with your breath, with your will, and with your intention. And drawing that breath in deeply, deeply. Feel the relief of connecting to light, of knowing that you are light, letting go of the self-criticisms, letting go of the worries, letting go of the little needs, just being one with the light for a few moments on this, the new moon in Virgo. September 13th, 2015, and drawing the breath in deeply, deeply. Drawing the breath in, aligning with the natural joy and innocence of the belly chakra. The creation lives there, the inner child lives there. Joy, the keys to the kingdom live there. Remember, to enter the kingdom, you become like the child. So coming into the peaceful, whole, aware, conscious child centered in the second chakra, and just drawing your breath in, those citrine lights, those topaz lights, those golden rust colored kind of lights, just feeling the light of that second chakra, the orangey vibration, and drawing it in, strengthening your connection with spirit, imagining the roots in the tailbone, imagining the roots in the lower part of the body, and drawing the breath in again deeply, deeply, releasing tension, releasing stress. Imagine sending roots from your tailbone down into the core of the new vibratory earth. You're familiar with the third dimensional earth. This is the new vibratory earth that you are familiar with in your dreams, in your conscious meditations and vibrations. Let yourself connect with her now, drawing the breath in, and find a low tone deep within your body, and simply tone will you connect your roots to the core roots of this new healed whole Mother Earth.